Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change to walking in Google Maps. Let's begin. Now, the walking mode in Google Maps is very useful when you want to explore routes that are optimized for pedestrians. This can include pathways, sidewalks, and pedestrian-friendly streets that may not be accessible by car. Of course, for short distances, walking can be a quicker and more convenient option compared to driving, especially in urban areas with heavy traffic or limited parking. Walking is a great way to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, and using walk mode encourages walking as a means of transportation, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Now, how do we do it? It's very easy because all you have to do is, once you are in Google Maps, click on the Try Now option. Okay, so I'm here right now on Google Maps and I'm looking for the New York Hotel and Casino. And by default, when you click on directions, you would be able to see the driving option, right? Don't worry, because all I have to do to change it to walking, you see the slider here. You have the option for motorcycle, for the transit, and of course by plane if you wanted. And you also have an option for walking. All right. And all I have to do is click on the view more options right here. And voila. All right. As you can see, this is going to be the directions. And you have like 5 minutes drive from my location. But of course, if you slide it to the walking option, you would see that it'll take me 25 minutes going there. Okay. And from here, these are the routes that you can take to avoid any traffic, any hazard, and a lot more. And the good thing about from using Google Maps, changing it to walking, will give you a lot of options, especially in terms of the smartphone's accessibility, right? And by utilizing walking mode in Google Maps, you can enjoy a more immersive and personalized navigation experience that aligns with your preferences. Of course, it promotes physical activity and facilitates efficient navigation for short distance trips. I always use the Google Maps for walking because it gives me the flexibility to customize my route based on my preferences, such as choosing a quieter streets, avoiding steep inclines, or prioritizing scenic pathways. And walking mode is particularly useful for navigating through dense urban areas, parks and campuses, or areas with intricate street layouts, while driving may not be practical or permitted. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.